Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and welcome you to part 3 of our unboxing and building my new system video. In this video we're gonna unbox and start to build up my system of the Asus Prime B450M motherboard. Here we go. Okay, so we have our Asus Prime B450M motherboard. Let's just open it up. AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop series ready. Okay, what do we have here? Probably just a few SATA cables, of course. Let's just take a look at them. We really don't need them, but yeah, let's just open up with the old knife, OG knife. Okay. One with the L and one straight SATA cables. Just one with the L, one straight. Simple as that. Let's just put them to the side. And here we go. It's the motherboard itself. Just open it up. And as always, Asus product is awesome. Okay, here we have the CPU socket. I believe this goes for our cooler, the VGA slot, X16 PCIe Express chipset, motherboard connections, fans, CPU fan, SATA, front panel 3.1, USB. Yeah, not sure what that was. COM debug. Chassis fan, this is one, and somewhere is chassis fan 2. Maybe somewhere. Okay, whatever. Yeah, chassis fan 2. Okay, so let's put it to the side for the moment, and then we continue our building. Now I just okay. Yeah, we have our brackets. And we have our M2 anchor to take out the M2. Nice one too. The bracket goes for our NZXT H510. And this should be, yeah. There's even a CD in 2020. You understand? CD in 2020. User guide. I believe install guides. That's how we install already pre-built. That's how we type 2 we need to take out and then just screw in the simple cooler. System memory, everything is just simple. BIOS information. Okay, over to the side. OG disk, black, supports Windows 10. Just some updates for AMD processors, motherboard layout, and quick guide. Something similar to the case we were unboxing in the part 1. Okay, that was it. Let's get them right there. Let's get them right there. Leave the bracket here. We're gonna use that later. Let's close the box. And then move to part 2. Okay, let me take out my handy dandy tools. And first of all, let's just install the CPU. Okay, the beautiful Ryzen R3600, just like that. Okay, what's up? Let's search for the arrow right there, and let me do this. Okay, now everything is out. Let's just put it. Everything rolls. Yeah. Good. First step done. Now step number 2. You should screw out the type 1 screw it out, take it out. Okay, one side and the other side. Okay. Let's take the other side too. And now we need to screw in our new cooler, which is already prepared with the paste. Okay, first of all, CPU fan is right here, so we put it this side. Okay. Okay. As I see, it's not that easy to go there. Maybe we need to use smaller screw driver. It's maybe this one, no? Yeah. And the middle part. Okay, just bam, bam, bam. Screw it in. Okay, screw it in one part, screw it in the other part. Okay, I got one part. Okay, the other. Third one, and we are moving to the fourth side.